Welcome to Tech Support Tuesday, where every Tuesday I show you a quick tutorial on how to do something technical that's beneficial to you. So today I'm going to show you how to use the System File Checker tool, or SFC. And what this does is have Windows check to see if there's any corrupted system files and try to repair them. So to do this, go ahead and right-click on the Start button and go to Windows Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes if prompted, and then now we will run SFC for System File Checker /scan now, and that's all one word. Hit enter, and now you just hurry up and wait. Once it's done scanning, if it shows that it did not find any integrity violations, then you should be good to go. If you're still having problems with your machine, you might want to go ahead and take a backup of any important files that you have before performing any other diagnostics on your machine, just in case something ends up going wrong and you have a hardware failure. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.